sunshines, welcome to Slim Thick Curls. So today, let's just jump right into it. I know y'all see me looking like a certified hot mess by the head. Do you see this? Do you see this? So I'm hoping that the products behind me will save me because I have a meeting today that I have to attend. Even though we can't go nowhere, we all shut up in the house, but I do have to do a video call today. Who wants to get on a video for work looking like this? I ain't trying to scare the people, but let me give y'all a little background, top secret confidential information about this hairstyle. It ain't professionally done. Underneath and on the outside, both a hot mess. So what I mean by that is I got crochet braids that were input by myself. I didn't know what I was doing. This is my first time doing it. Went on Amazon, ordered me some hair because they said we was about to be in the house. So I'm like, well, I need a hairstyle. Typically, I can whip something up together, make it look real cute. Y'all, do you see this? This ain't looking cute. So let me take it down so you can see what it's looking like. So this is it. I had it in 2 ponytails, so I gotta take them both out. But y'all, the hair itself, I'll do a review on in a separate video. But I wanted to come on here, if we can even get the hair out. See, the hair is like, ooh, somebody help us. And I'm looking like somebody help you. Okay, so this is what we're working with. Do you see all this? Looking like a big gap of foolery? All of this. All of this. Just, what is this? Y'all, somebody gonna have to get me together. I can't be over here just looking like this for not another day. So I'm trying to go from, ooh, child, so, ooh, baby, is what we trying to do. So I would love for you guys to stick around for the journey to see if I'm able to go and be transformed to, ooh, baby.
The products that I plan on using today are my 24-hour Edge Tamer with extra mega hold, the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Restorative Spray and their Sealing Cream, my tea in Dickinson's Witch Hazel, and last but not least, my Wild Growth Hair Oil that I have peppermint oil and tea tree oil mixed into it as well. Alright, so I'm just grabbing my witch hazel and a cotton pad, putting a little bit of the witch hazel on the cotton pad so that I can properly cleanse my scalp. I do this quite often throughout the week. This particular day I was working out, so just making sure that I'm starting off with a somewhat clean scalp due to I didn't wash my hair today. So my next step is to moisturize my hair and my scalp. So I'm just grabbing my restorative spray and literally spraying it all over my head. What is this right here, y'all? What is this? Foolery. So now I'm just putting it up into a ponytail so that I can get to my edges and the nape of my head. So now to seal in that moisture that I just sprayed in my hair, I'm grabbing my sealing cream and just putting it all around my edges in the front. once, then I'm going to swing it around to the back and get that nape real good. Make sure it's all moisturized all over. We can't forget to lay those edges down. Now my hair and edge control, sometimes it acts like it just doesn't want to stay, but I actually really like this edge control. So I'm not all into swooping my hair, I just slick it straight back. I want a natural look, but not that natural, so we definitely slicking these edges down. Then I'm just going to take my headscarf. I used to have a scarf just for edges. I lost it, so I'm taking this big old scarf and just putting it on my edges to lay them down. So while my edges are being set, I'm just going to take my wild growth oil that I have peppermint oil and tea tree oil in and oil my scalp. Now it's time to massage that in. It's feeling good. Work it in all throughout my head. I'm just going to prep the hair for the hairstyle that I'm going to try to do. So I'm just going in, because I've already sprayed all of my hair, oiled my scalp. I'm just sealing in all that moisture. And I'm just grabbing a little bit of the edge control to try to smooth some of this out, because it's a little frizzy there. So it doesn't have to lay down perfectly, but I do want it to lay down somewhat. Just going into the other side and repeating the same steps. There's so much new growth in here. But we gonna try to make it work to stretch this hairstyle out at least one more week. I will say that's a nice, clean, straight part that I did. I'm the worst at making parts, so I'm proud of myself right there. Okay. So now I'm just applying some of the cream to the actual twist. It is synthetic hair, but I noticed that the twists really like the products that I use on my real hair, and it helps to keep them soft and shiny. And I don't apply a lot, just a little bit. So now I'm just going to put it in, well, I guess attempt to put it in a ponytail. Let's see if I can do this again. Alright, got it. So now I'm about to set the hair, just tying it down, and I will leave it tied up for at least 10 minutes and then come back. All right, so let's see what we're working with underneath these scarves. So far it's looking okay, looking better than what it was looking like before, but we gotta take the edges scarf off to truly see what's going on. Okay, so we a little slick down around the edges. Let's see the inside. So the inside looks a lot better. It's not as frizzy, and remember, I don't want this to be slicked down perfectly because we do want it to have some naturalness. Now I don't even know what's going on with that little short piece. That could have been laid down a little bit more, but it is what it is. So now I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to wear my hair. If I want to put it half up, half down, which I might, I don't know. Do I want it to this side? I don't know. It took so much for me to figure out just how to style it. To the left, to the right, half up, half down. You would think that I had so many different options. Literally, I gave myself 3 options and it took me forever just to figure it out. And here we go. Eventually decided to go with the half up, half down. So the reason I went with the half up, half down, because it was easier to camouflage all the new growth. And most importantly, those crazy parts that I had in my hair, because this was my fake the funk hairstyle. So we trying to pretend that this hairstyle came together perfectly. So now I'm just going through looking to see if there's any frizzy parts. And again, it's okay to have a little bit of frizz because you want it to be as natural as possible. But that is not frizz. That's just some random pieces of hair that's sticking out. So what I'm going to do is unravel the hair, retwist it, and apply the sealing cream as I'm twisting it. This would be cute as a twist out with that little piece right there. So again, I'm still just going through my head looking for random pieces that have hair that just is not connected to it anymore. That's not frizzy, but just not where it's supposed to be. some of the strings you can just pull right out. It's not truly connected to my hair, so it's not gonna hurt me. With this not being a styling cream, it did a decent job with getting the hair to curl back up. Alright, so these are my final results. Comment below and let me know how you think it turned out, and what do you do to preserve your crochet protective hairstyles. Toodles! Mwah.